the squad today, guys. Porsches, R8s. I brought the G80 out. Supposedly it's faster now. We gotta see. Why is Ray always trying to make his cars faster, bro? Ray bought the R8 and the Supra out. And then we got Chris and Josh. We got Ron in the GT3 RS. We're actually gonna go to a Travis Scott music video shoot. If you guys know, Ray actually shoots photos for Travis. Today he wants to gather a bunch of cars for this music video idea that he has. Let's see who pulls up, bro. I try to invite as much homies as I can. Hopefully it's a good turnout. I want to hear Ron's RS, bro. He put a new exhaust on it, and it's supposed to be the loudest GT3 RS in the world, so we'll see. I'm pretty sure it's the same exact exhaust setup that Landon had on his cream colored GT3 RS, if you guys saw that in the video. It's already stupid loud. You know, I was already looking at like how much it would be a monthly payment for that.
Which one?
The GT3 RS. Turns out I need to post more YouTube videos. They're so expensive, guys, but it's such a sick car.
He said, yo, the homie's there who's filming the music video. Yeah. He's like, bro, there's already a bunch of cars here.
No way. F1 race. Oh my god, bro. I'm literally going deaf trying to film them. That's have to be the loudest cars I've ever heard of.
They're so loud. I've never heard, it's like a different type of like
I know. They sound so good though. People are pulling up, guys. Bro, what the heck, bro? All you hear is the Porsches, though. You don't hear nothing else.
Oh, welcome back.
What's up?
You're back.
I'm back.
Miss you, Mom.
I don't know when this video's coming out, but today's our first day back from Germany, so it feels good to be back in the cars and back with the squad and everything. Back doing car stuff.
You don't know that ratchet, right, man? That's my favorite. Go over there.
You know what's even crazier?
Cars in there.
Is that you invited all these people. Like you started inviting these people, right?
Yeah, guys, probably like 4 hours ago, Ray hit me up. He's like, yo, try to gather as many cars as you can. And look how many people pulled up. Bro, we invited too many people, I think. For real?
Loud?
Bro, it's too loud, bro.
Is it louder than the silver one?
Yes, dude.
Sure?
No, your hurts my ears, bro. I couldn't even film it.
Your pops.
The pops are loud, but the whole way it sounds like we're on a racetrack. What's up? Damn, my boy's blinging today.
Jenny Rivera?
Bro, look how many cars are here. It's ridiculous. There's more in here too. R8? Sheesh. Oh, this is the homies car, I think. Oh, they put it back to stock. Cause I think he just sold it. This is Mr. Dandy Hats. It is Dandy's yours.
He brought like all his stuff.
Oh, and he bought the R8 too, and the GT3 RS. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know, but Dandy bought an R8 too, just to flex on me real quick. And he bought the GT3 RS. Dandy got too many cars, bro. Drake? What's up, Drake? Dandy brought his whole dealership. This is Dandy's, that's Dandy's. What's up? How are you? He brought the whole dealership. This already looks insane. It already looks like a Travis Scott music video shoot. It literally looks like a Fast and the Furious movie right now.
So cold.
This is insane. Oh, someone's gonna scrape on that. Oh my God, Jose! I literally said someone's gonna scrape on you, and it was Jose, bro. You're good, you're good, you're good.
Half these cars are Dandies, right? Like what the?
Could have just used Dandy's collection for the music video. I did not recognize you in this car, bro.
Dude.
Jimmy got another car. Bro, you're catching up to Dandy at this point. No way Jimmy got an M2. Sheesh. Oh, 765, bro.
Yeah, it's Joe.
And the perfect color, too.
It's Rubo, actually.
Yeah, look at R33.
He just scraped on it.
Oh my God, he almost scraped it, too. Oh!
Dude, no one's saying.
Bro, everyone's gonna scrape, bro.
No, wait. What is everyone trying to break their lip today?
I wanna go look at Dandy's 720, though. Because wait till you guys see what wheels he put on it. No way, bro. He did the same BBSs that are on my R8. Look how good they look on a 720. My BBSs that are on the R8, they'll actually fit a 720. I think all you gotta do is relip the rear or the front. I forgot what he said, but they're pretty much fit. So if I do get a 720 after the R8, I'll be able to put my BBSs on it. And yeah, you got the Aventador too. I gotta sell more merch. I gotta make hats. So I gotta make some hats to sell. Fresh zapatos. And this is actually Garrick's car. They're literally twins. What's up? I missed you. It was fun. The flight was scary though.
Yeah.
I know you would have been scared.
Oh.
I know you hate flying, bro. The LaFerrari? The Jamba Juice?
What you think about it?
You think you'll let me drive it?
I don't know about that one.
God damn.
One day?
No, one day, bro. Me and Ray are both gonna be in one.
Right? We got to. I'm telling you, that would be crazy. Imagine back-to-back LaFerraris. Damn, you was in Germany for like 3 months.
I know, I'm finally back. Dude, honestly, I was ready to come back.
You was bored or what?
Ray.
What's wrong with you, bro?
Dream car.
It looks insane, bro.
Any white Ferrari?
Oh, hell no. I would not get that close to it.
Yeah, exactly, bro. Like, you're putting your life on the line.
They literally just did a shoot right here. I think the G80 came out in the video. We'll see. Does it look familiar? Freaking Anthro, bro. Anthro rewrapped his GTR. If you guys are OGs to the channel, you guys remember when Anthro had his car wrapped purple before. Years ago. Like, it's been a while. And he brought it back. And then this was the other set, but I couldn't really film it, guys. You guys gotta wait for the music video to come out. The McCleasy. Wheels are so fire. Makes me miss my R8. By the way, I don't have my R8 right now because the bumper's getting painted. Because remember, we burned the bumper with the flame tune and the exhaust. But that's why I didn't bring the R8 today. Or else I would have brought it 100%. Out of all the cars over here, which would have got picked? Sure yours. Shut the up. Actually, he's about to do a little burnout. We just made it to a car meet.
I'm tired of getting called you, bro.
My twin, bro. Dad, you got the headlight delete? No way. My homie wrapped it just like the G80. Laguna Seca Blue. This is actually a wrap, guys. But look how similar it is to the real paint. This is a real Laguna Seca Blue F80, by the way. Kind of crazy. Ray also pulled up. He's in the Supra over there. Chris is here somewhere too. I don't know where he's at. Chris didn't want to get out the car. We got all the fast guys out here. We're about to leave this meet and go to another one. So let's get it. I brought the fast car today too, by the way. I had to bring the G80. There's no way you got food, bro. That's what you were doing? Is it good?
Fries are better than burger.
Nah, this shit is bomb. Oh, damn, a Corvette? No way a C6 parked behind me. Guys, new wheels going on the C6 hopefully soon. Probably the next couple videos we'll have new wheels on the C6 already. I have to, guys. I know a lot of people want me to slow down on the build, but I can't drive a stock car, bro. I got a mod it. No way Nathan brought the Mustang out. Sheesh. Ricky Bobby. You have to put the cars together. You're really gonna take it the wrap? Why are you taking it off? Look, even the carbon hoods too. Hey, the amber lights don't look that bad. That's pretty sick. No way you're gonna take the wrap off already. Why? Come on, dude. It looks good. Even the truck, bro. That's crazy. But it actually looks sick though together. You should keep it. Look who else pulled up. My boy Oscar. Look at his car. It's all white on white. This is what I want to do with the F80. White TEs. He's actually selling the wheels. What do you guys think? Throw them on the G80? They'll fit. They're G80 specs. But I like it. I think you should keep them. Soon we're gonna put the F80 white on white, guys. I think we're gonna do it like literally next week as well.
What do you think about these blue with
this?
the IP37?
Bro, it look clean too.
These look clean, right?
I think white on white though, bro. I actually like it a lot. Oh, I hit my head on this. The white on this will be fire. Yo, it might look kind of cool, bro. This gas station is so packed. Look at the homies filling up his G8 sideways, bro.
Go get your spot.
I need this. I need this. I need to fill up my car. Dang, he got the Texas plate on a CTSV. Will run. You need that plate. I had to do the same thing, guys, because I had to mix the gas, and I don't know what's going on with that one. It like restart. It's the new wave now, bro. It's funny. What you got, Josh? This food always has crazy in his car. NOS tanks.
I opened up his backseat and this is what. Look, he's putting a code for it.
Is the NOS tank still in there?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Can I see? Yeah. A sleeper. You got that nitrous bottle in there.
You know what? I'm not even allowed to show.
Oh, for real? Can't see this.
I
can't see this, guys.
Damn, is that a custom color?
You like it? Nah, it comes like that.
Really?
Hey, look, he matches the outside on. Color match.
I thought you did that on purpose.
Color match interior lighting, guys. I don't know why I've never done that before, but I just found it today. Not bad. Chris said he's never been in his car, guys. Can you believe that? No way you've never been in the G80. Ready? How crazy is it, bro? This thing's hella fast, bro. Oh my god. No, that car makes like almost 1,000, I think. It looks like my GTR, but it also looks like his old one too. His used to be wrapped purple.
Yeah, it kind of looks like.
But it does look like mine too. It looks like my old car. I also changed the T's to silver.
I like it.
Which looks pretty sick. I told him to do chrome, but he's right. The chrome is kind of played out. Everyone's done chrome T's now, bro. Oh my gosh, it looks bad. Oh, it's shooting flames.
Yeah, we understand.
I think he was trying to race. God damn, that bike is going. The bike is flying. Oh my god. What? Chris is stressed watching this. No way we convinced him to come. He did not want to come, guys. We're driving an hour. Man, we were right next to his house, bro.
diamonds on my neck cost me 2 something.
Oh, there's too many cops. I feel like we're just gonna get pulled over, guys. Chose the worst city, dude.
It's a nice Supra.
Oh, that's Jimmy. Jimmy just bought it.
The MK4?
Do the two-step. I'm just kidding. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it. I was tripping that you're on the right side. No way, Jimmy got a Supra, bro. I swear, every time he's in the vlogs, he has a new car. Every single vlog, bro, that I see him. This might be one of my favorite ones you got, Jimmy. Not gonna lie. That's how Suprusa's. What the heck did I just say? That's how a Supra is supposed to look, bro. What did I even say, bro? Nigga, they're like trying to shut the street down.
Look, he's wearing your merch.
For real? Hey! Bro, I gotta re-drop that shirt, bro. I should re-drop it, huh? Who wants to go faster tees again? Why are people revving it? There's literally cops outside. That's what's getting them mad, bro.
Hey, that's cool, bro. The first person to see
Is wearing my merch?
is wearing your merch.
Why are they revving it, bro? I don't get. They're just gonna get the cops more mad. What's up? What's up, bro? How's it going? What is this? A tow truck? FindingNick! What's up? Yo! So many people. This is insane. This feels like the old days when we used to do like night car meets like this. It is packed. Damn, bro, that thing is sick. What's up, bro? Look at him get on the right side. Jimmy!
You're rich, huh?
It's rolling. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god, dude.
You guys scared?
Yeah, I was like, oh shit. Where do we park?
Bro, that's my favorite car you ever had.
Really?
Yeah, 100%, bro. It's so sick.
You need to drive it.
He's rich, huh?
Let's trade.
Rich as
I know. Your car's getting all the attention.
Oh, for real. Just an old Japanese bucket.
We're already leaving, bro. We just got here, drove an hour, and we're already leaving. I don't know why we come to meets anymore. There's a vent though, look at that. The vent looks sick. Ray said that the cops are outside trying to block us in, so we gotta get out of here, bro. There's tons of cops. Look at 1, 2, 3. You ever seen the movie Cars?
Again! What the bro? What the Stop!
That's literally why I want a Supra, just to do that all day. Two-step every day, every stoplight, every chance I get.
That was literally war.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.